So I look like a regular sweet potato fry, but I'm actually extremely loaded.
We're gonna have you go to really.co and you're gonna choose a recipe that best describes you, and then we're gonna make it.
Haha, all right, let's do it. I'm gonna look for something in the paleo umbrella. Ooh, loaded sweet potato fries is calling my name. Something that comes out of the oven would be really nice. We can heat up the space while we cook the food. Fries, loaded sweet potato fries? Yeah, let's do this.
All right.
When does eating start? Does eating start when you put food in your mouth? Or does eating start when you see the food that you're gonna eat? Maybe the meal starts when you go get the ingredients. Chipotle aioli. Yeah. I think what's going to be challenging about this specific recipe is getting the texture of the potatoes right. We want them to be soft and cooked, but we want them to be crispy and toasty as well. Avocado oil. Oh, I should have done the dry stuff first. That's a crucial mistake. Very good. I think this looks pretty good. I don't know. I mean, I don't think we're gonna get them to the point where they're not touching. Do they need to not be touching? That sounds unreasonable. So I think what I'll do is I'll mix the tomatoes, the onions, cilantro, and even the beans together and keep that as the topping. So the whole dish has kind of a paleo nachos vibe. Are we ready for this? Am I ready for this? We're just gonna do a nice dressing. Ooh, that's so chefy. That's beautiful. The sweet potatoes are really sweet. They almost caramelize in the oven. And this is very me too, because I'll get into something like this and I'll think, okay, I want the sweet potatoes to be crispy, but then somewhere along the way I get maybe a little bit lazy. I feel like there's a lot of meat in here. I don't know if it's me as a dish. I think, you know, me as a dish would be flawless. But we got a really beautiful, colorful, delicious, healthy dish here that anybody could make. I'll make it again. I give myself an A+ on this. Let me know how you think I did. This is Damien Zielinski signing off.